Hi, I'm Anil Thakur. I have come from Delhi. This is my first visit to the ashram, and I have come here as a person who didn't know anything about the ashram except little bit. I could never imagine that I would come into this kind of a place where everything is so sublime and so pure, and it's just selfless. And I came here last night. The moment I entered the gate, I felt something around me, some presence, and the first thing was in my mind like, oh, something like that. And then the priest at the gate was very kind to do an arti, Kala Bhairav, which was an eye opener for me. He introduced the God to me, what it means, what he is all about. As time went on, I felt more and more at peace, some calmness, as if this is a place I know from before. And I actually don't know how I came to be here because 3 days back I had no plans to be here at all. I was in Delhi doing my work. I never knew what is Pada Puja. I didn't know what is Kal Bhairav. And somehow the other, Radhika, who's my dear friend, who's coming here as part of this organization, she told me about her visit here, and somehow she got permission to bring me along. I asked, can I do some prayers here? And said they offered Pada Puja and or Kala Bhairav, whichever I want. And somehow I just said both. So today I've done the Pada Puja in the morning. I'm going to do now the Kala Bhairav. I've also had the third eye scanning done. And the experience has been, I think, beyond any imagination I could ever have. Because right from the first moment, this place is so pure and so sublime that I still I'm unable to understand myself what I'm going through. I can feel changes happening already, but I can't today articulate what all, in what way. But I feel very different in some ways inside me. The third eye scanning or reading, told me so much in just the 2-3 minutes that my entire life became very clear in those moments. I could never imagine that somebody could decode for me or clarify to me what I'm missing out, what's holding me back like that. Pada Puja is something for me first time, like I said, but I was very conscious in the beginning what I could do, I could not do. But the person there who was conducting it told me, just be yourself. If you make mistakes, don't worry, just keep doing it. And everything fell in place. I felt some kind of connect increasing as the puja went along and like that. And I became very comfortable. I felt something happening inside me and around me. And that's been a huge experience like that. I think I was destined to come here, as if something were happening that I was brought here today, last night.